Canadians are embracing AI tools like never before to streamline their daily lives. First up, we have Notion, a powerful all-in-one workspace that helps with organization and project management. It's a game changer for keeping track of tasks and notes. Next, there's Grammarly, which not only corrects your grammar but also enhances your writing style, perfect for students and professionals alike. Then we have ChatGPT, an AI companion that can assist with everything from brainstorming ideas to drafting emails, saving you precious time. For those in the creative field, Canva's AI features make designing graphics a breeze, allowing anyone to create stunning visuals without needing a degree in design. Finally, there's Otter.ai, which transcribes meetings in real time so you can focus on the conversation instead of taking notes. These tools are not just techie novelties. They're essential for maximizing productivity and efficiency in our busy lives. Have you used any AI tools this week?